Find the sum of the given set of numbers. So here we have to use the other formula. The other formula being Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So if you feel like you can do it on your own, please do it. So please do the required. If not, you can watch the first example. So 10 and half is nothing but 21 by 2 plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 84. You can handle it with decimals, if not fractions, whatever you feel like. Anything is good enough. So we have an. An is equal to 7. Sorry, not an. A is equal to 7. Right? The first term is 7. Common difference is 21 by 2 minus 14 by 2. I'm writing 7 as 14 by 2 because LCM is right, quite obvious. 7 by 2. And to verify, that's your answer. I hope correct. So 14 by 2, sorry, 28 by 2 minus 21 by 2. Again, don't rely on your previous answer and assume that answer is correct. If D is wrong, then the entire thing will go wrong. So it's better to be safe. And we have AN, that is the last term, is 84. Right? So here we have to find S of, well, Sn. We don't know how many terms are there. So basically, we need to find the number of terms to find the sum of the terms. Right? To what extent will you find? So even the formula dictates you need n. So okay, first we need to calculate n. So we have an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 84 is equal to a is 7 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 7 by 2. Right? So all of the terms have 7s. So dividing 7, it's of great help. Right? Or multiplying with 1 by 7. This is nothing but 12. This is 1. And this is n minus 1 by half. If I transpose this, it will be 11. If I transpose that, it will be 22 and 23. So n is equal to 23. Okay, such calculation you need to learn to do. Next is calculating S of 23. So we begin with S of n, which is nothing but n by 2 into a plus an. So 23 by 2, right? So S of 23 is equal to this. A is your first term, 7, plus an is 84. Okay, we can't cancel anything with 2. So, and I think it's convenient to just go by adding in things. So even how to calculate, I kind of decide. Of course, I might not get it right all the time, the best way possible, but surely will increase my speed in time. So I'll multiply and then divide with 2. 91 into 23 is what I have to do. So we have 3, 27, 2 and 18, 3, 9, 1, okay, 2, wait, I did something wrong. Okay, sorry, this is 0. Right? And divided by 2 is 104.6.5. Okay, that's your answer. So please pause and have a look. There are a few more problems in the same video. We'll do all of it. Okay, now the next problem. Now this you need to do on your own. Thirty-four, 32, 30, and 10. So we have the first term is 34. The common difference is 32 minus 34, which is minus 2. 30 minus 32, it is also equal to minus 2. So it's confirmed. So difference is minus 2. Right? And n is, we need to find it. An is 10 and S of n is what we need to find. So as usual, we'll start with calculating n, right? So we have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 10 is equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into d being minus 2. So simple calculation, L transpose will be minus 24, and transpose this will be minus 2, right? This will be minus 2 divided by minus 2, and this is a 12 and 30. And we have calculating S of 13. Simple. So S of n is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So S of 13 will be 13 by 2 into a is 34 plus an is last term is 10, right? So 2 ones are 2 17s are 2 5s are, and this is 20 22 13 into 22, so 31 26 26 286. Okay, that's your sum. I mean, if I do any calculation mistake, last step, you guys please correct that. But yeah, the method and everything is what I'm trying to teach you guys. So you can pause before I move on to the next video and next problem. Okay, so we have find the sum of given below and so on and so forth. Same thing. So answer, we're looking at given to be minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, minus 230. So we begin with writing down a, that is minus 5. So clearly the difference has to be negative. Minus of minus 5, this is 8 minus 5 plus 5 minus 3. To confirm, minus 11 minus of minus 8 plus 8 minus 3 minus 3. Yes, it's correct. So an is equal to minus 230, and we need to find S of n, which we don't know, where n is, well, we don't know. And next thing is to calculate n. Okay, so an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have minus 230 is equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 5. Right? Transpose this. So this will be 2 to 5 divided by minus 5, right? Again, I'm just calculating things fast. If you do it systematically, you'll get the same answer. Minus minus plus, and the division leads to 75 plus 1 is equal to n, 76. Next step is to calculate S of 76. That's all. So S of n is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. So 76 by 2 into minus 5 plus of minus is minus 230. Right? This is 38. 38 into 238 into minus 235. So I'm using calculator to find this, and the answer is 8930 and negative. Right? So pause the video and have a look.